Welcome back to the Seller's Property Disclosure Statement, page 7 of 9, continuing on location 17, land and soils. Question 4. Are you aware of any existing, past, or proposed mining, strip mining, or any other excavating that might affect this property? Note to buyer. The property may be subject to mine subsidence damages. Maps of the counties and mines where mine subsidence damage may occur and mine subsidence insurance are available through the Department of Environmental Protection, Mine Subsidence Insurance Fund, Technology Drive, California Technology Park, Coal Center, PA 15423, can be reached at 1-800-922-1678 within Pennsylvania or 724-769-1100 outside of Pennsylvania. Section B, Preferential Assessment and Development Rights. Is the property or a portion of it preferentially assessed for tax purposes or subject to limited development rights under the 1. Farmland and Forest Land Assessment Act, the Clean and Green Program, 2. Open Space Act, 3. The Agricultural Area Security Law, the development rights, 4. Any other law or program. Note to the buyer, Pennsylvania has enacted the Right to Farm Act in an effort to limit the circumstances under which agricultural operations may be subject to nuisance suits or ordinances. Buyers are encouraged to investigate whether an agricultural operations covered by the Act operate in the vicinity of the property. Section C, Property Rights. Are you aware of the transfer, sale, and/or lease of any of the following property rights by you or the previous owner of the property? 1. Timber, 2. Coal, 3. Oil, 4. Natural gas, 5. Other mineral or rights such as farming rights, hunting rights, or quarrying rights. Explain. Note to the buyer. Before entering into an agreement of sale, buyer can investigate the status of these rights by, among other means, engaging legal counsel, obtaining a title examination of unlimited years, and searching the official records in the county office of the Recorder of Deeds and elsewhere. Buyer is also advised to investigate the terms of any existing leases, as buyer may be subject to the terms of those leases. Explain any yes answers in section 17. Location 18, flooding, drainage, and boundaries. Section A, flooding and drainage. Question 1, is there any part of this property located in wetlands area? Question 2, is any part of this property located in a FEMA flood zone? Question 3, are you aware of any past or present drainage or flooding problems affecting the property? Question 4. Are you aware of any drainage or flooding mitigation on the property? Explain any yes answers in section 18A, including dates and extent of flooding. Section B, boundaries. 1. Are you aware of any encroachments, boundary line disputes, or easements affecting the property? Note to buyer. Most properties have easements running across them for utility services and other reasons. In many cases, the easements do not restrict the ordinary use of the property, and seller may not be readily aware of them. Buyers may wish to determine the existence of these easements and restrictions by examining the property and ordering an abstract of title or searching the records of the Office of Recorder of Deeds for the county before entering into an agreement of sale. Question 2. Do you have access to the property from a private road or a lane? Question 3. If yes, do you have a recorded right-of-way or a maintenance agreement? Question 4. Are you aware of any shared or common areas, driveways, bridges, docks, walls, etc., or maintenance agreements? Explain any yes answers in section 18B. At the bottom of page 7, again, we need the seller's initials and the date.